In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Claude Artifacts. First, you will need to open Claude. This is the software platform we'll be working with today. As you launch the application, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You will see a clean layout designed for ease of use. It is essential to ensure you are on the latest version of Claude for optimal performance. Once you have Claude open, you will be ready to proceed to the next step. This sets the stage for enabling the features we need for our tasks ahead. Next, click your name or profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This is a common place for user settings in many applications. By clicking on this icon, you will access your account options. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various settings related to your profile. This action is crucial as it leads you to the settings area where you can customize your experience. Remember, personalizing your settings can dramatically improve the efficiency of your workflow. From there, click on Settings. This will open a new window or section where you can adjust various configurations. On this screen, you will find numerous options that allow you to control aspects of the software. This is an important step because accessing the settings is necessary to enable specific capabilities. You will notice several categories listed, and we are specifically looking for the Capabilities section. Take your time to ensure you are in the correct part of the Settings menu. Now go to Capabilities. This section is where you can enable or disable various functionalities within Claude. As you navigate to this area, you'll see a list of different features that can enhance your user experience. It is essential to explore this section because enabling the right capabilities can unlock powerful tools that help streamline your tasks. With this knowledge, you can customize Claude to better suit your working style. Next up, turn on artifacts. This feature is crucial for the tasks you will perform later. By enabling artifacts, you are allowing Claude to create and manage content in a more dynamic way. You may see a toggle switch next to this option. Simply click it to enable it. This step is significant because it activates the functionality that allows for advanced content handling. Once you enable this, you will be one step closer to fully utilizing Claude's capabilities. After that, turn on code execution and file creation, which is required for creating artifacts. This option is just as important as the previous one. By enabling code execution, you allow Claude to run scripts and manage files efficiently. You will again find a toggle switch next to this option. Click it to ensure it is activated. This step is vital because without enabling code execution, you won't be able to create artifacts effectively. You will see a confirmation indicating that both features are now turned on, giving you peace of mind that your settings are correct. With that ready, you have successfully enabled the necessary features. This will allow Claude to perform tasks that include artifact creation and file management. Remember, having these capabilities enabled is crucial for maximizing your productivity within the software. You should now be prepared to explore and utilize these new features in your upcoming projects. Finally, take a moment to review your settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. This little step saves you a lot of time later. You can always return to the settings if you need to make adjustments in the future. Thank you for following along and enjoy using Claude with the new capabilities you have just enabled.